Element 75, self-separation. Separations, purifications, isolations, and quite frankly, cleaning uses plenty of energy. This is because most of reactions require some sort of medium for two ingredients to react with each other. But then obtaining a product in the purified form from that mixture takes a lot of effort. Systems designated to facilitate self-separation can decrease energy and material usage when developed properly. Designing a molecular product to separate from its reaction matrix or enabling an impurity generated in a process to self-separate due to certain properties can have sustainability advantages. The classic example includes a self-separating catalyst that can be recycled and reused in another reaction.